Crease, that's bad. LKY represent. What? This goes out to them fake hating. What? Damn. Later.
This your boy Maas Apeal, coming to you live from the Newport car show. There's some very nice cars out here today. Really is. There are some nice vehicles out here today. I'm gonna try to give you all as much footage as I can. Yeah, so it's your boy Maas Apeal. I'm up early. Came out early to check out these nice vintage cars, souped up cars. Check this out, you all. This car is nice. It's an original. That is an original 1958 Mini Cooper. This right here. You know what that is. It's a Mustang GT. 57 Chevy. Yeah, that's one thing I let you all know is I love cars, so yeah, I love cars. Look at this Jaguar. There are some nice cars out here. I gotta go back here and check out this 57 Chevy. This car is nice. Wow. It's a very nice car you have, for sir. One of my buddies that I went to school with had a 57 Chevy. And it was souped up. He had I think it was don't let me get the line, but when we were in high school, he used to race his car. It was really nice. This is nice. Really? Wow.
You don't see, I've only seen 2 or 3 of them the last 15 years.
This is
usually just kind of rotted out.
Yeah, this is nice.
This one was in such good shape when I bought it.
Is it all original?
Yeah. The only thing it's not original is the radiator and the generator. It's actually from the 58 Chevy, but it's the same part.
Wow.
I had a new radiator made, so it stays.
Okay.
But everything else is all original.
So yeah, you all hear that? You all hear that? Everything on this 58 Chevy is original. 55 Chevy. 55 Oldsmobile. Sorry. 55 Oldsmobile.
Chevys are a diamond.
This is everything's original except for the radiator. Yeah, my viewers are gonna love this video today. Well, I appreciate your time. Thank you. Another Corvette, you all. This must be the Corvette section. can't see this, but this is velvet interior on this bed. Burgundy leather. Oh my God, this is incredible. Yeah, this is the vet section. How are you today, sir?
Good, how are you?
I am great. What year is your car?
70.
70 Challenger. Very, very nice. It's a 1970 Challenger. Like, share, subscribe to the channel. It's your boy Maas Apeal coming to you live from the Newport car show. There are some spectacular cars out here today. Just want to let everybody know. Yes. The Newport car show here in Newport, Kentucky, right across from Cincinnati. And there are some extraordinary cars here today in this car show. Got the original sticker price for the car when it was originally bought. Wow. That cost $7,000, man. Cadillac XLR. Really fast Cadillac.
your car?
Yeah.
This is nice.
Thank you.
This is really. This is nice. My brother just bought a 72. Hold on, I'm gonna pause this real quick. Everybody, I'll be right back. I'm gonna pause for just a second, but I'll be right back. This is a nice car. I really appreciate your time. Thank you. As you're up to see, they're judging all these cars for this competition. There's some really, really nice cars out here today. No, you're fine. No, you're fine. Yes, this is nice. Yeah, to all my supporters, if you like cars, you're gonna love this video. Nice trucks, cars out here today. Trans Am section. Yeah, this is the Knight Rider Firebird. If you know about Knight Rider, the TV show that came out in the 80s, that is the Knight Rider edition of the Firebird. Hemi Cuda. Green and white Hemi Cuda. Dodge guy, Chevy guy, Ford guy. Modified Mustang, Cobra. Car's called the Terminator. It's one of 355 Sonic Blue convertibles made in 2003. 6-speed transmission. Back to the Hemi Cuda. This car is so nice. I'm trying to get somewhere where I can get the whole car in shot. This car is beautiful. It's got the open hood. Dodge supercar, Hemi Cuda. Like I said, this is Cobra. So those were the cars on the outside of the car show. Now we're gonna walk onto the lot and see what cars are here on the lot. There are some nice vehicles out here today. Look at this car right here. This is the Tron. Woo! Corvette. 2021 Chevy Corvette with the Tron paint job on it. This car's nice. Nice car, sir. Very nice. '62 Chevy Corvette. It's 1941 Studebaker. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Is this your car? This one, Studebaker? It's a nice car. 1941?
41 Studebaker.
This is a nice car.
Pearl blue with gold plate. Made in California.
Oh, you're from California?
Yeah, it's a California car. But I bought it from a guy that owned it in Wagner, Oklahoma.
Okay. Really nice. Are you going to the Street Rod Nationals in Louisville, Kentucky? It was last weekend? I knew it was sometime around now, but I didn't know. See, I'm from Louisville, but I just moved here from D.C. Last weekend. Yeah.
Welcome to the promised land.
The promise.
Kentucky.
Oh, yeah. Back home.
It's getting a little wild up there in D.C.
It's been wild in D.C.
Oh, yeah.
Prices are high.
Oh, yeah.
It's good to come back to the Midwest where the prices are sensible.
Yeah.
Is that your Corvette right there, sir?
No.
That's it.
Yeah,
Both of them?
Wow.
Wow. Well, thanks for your time.
Yes, sir. Thank you.
Sir, both of these Corvettes are yours? Wow.
Two different ways of going about it.
Two totally different ways, but both beautiful.
He has a lot of fun. Kid's got three tattoo parts, but fits into it too.
Oh, okay.
I'm an old guy that fell in love with Corvettes, and I made that 50 years.
And you passed it on down to him. So you're the original owner of this car.
I bought it with Kenny for 62, and I bought it in 73.
never go wrong pulling that out on a nice day.
People gonna be here.
Yeah.
I went back there and thought, man, I'm gonna get home in time to see the late.
See the late news?
Well, actually, it would be the Lawrenceville rerun. I thought I'd be back there forever. I hurried up back here.
Lawrence Welk, when the bubbles come up. Hey, you have a great day.
You too, thanks.
Son's Mustang. The dad's Mustang. The son's Corvette. Sorry, you all. Dad's Corvette. Wow. That's all I can say.